skincare routines are as individual as daisies. Each one is just a little bit different. But one thing that should be a part of every woman's skincare routine is masking. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 reasons to mask, and I'm reviewing a new green tea mask that I'm trying out this week. Stay tuned. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. I've not always been as focused on my skincare routine as I am today. When I was younger, I washed my face with a good cleanser, moisturized, and kept it moving. But now that I'm a bit older, my skincare needs have changed, and I find that my skincare routine needs to change. And I need to be more proactive with deep cleaning, and I do that with a mask. So I will typically mask 2 to 3 times a week. Here are 3 reasons why I mask and why I suggest you do the same. Reason number 1 is that using a face mask deep cleans the skin. It doesn't just remove the surface dirt or makeup, but it deep cleans by drawing out the dirt and the oil and the impurities in your skin. Even though you wash your face every night with a good cleanser, using a mask makes a huge difference. It's kind of like giving your face a detox treatment. Your face feels tighter, your skin is brighter, and it feels really good. And reason number 2 for using a mask is that it helps to unclog your pores. It gets rid of that surface layer of dead cells, which helps to unclog your pores, and then allows the mask to draw out the dirt, the oil, the impurities that can linger beneath the surface and lead to blemishes. Even at my age, if I am not assiduous about my skincare routine, I could end up with a breakout either on my chin or on my cheek. So masking 2 or 3 times a week helps to prevent that. And reason number 3 is that giving myself a mask is so therapeutic. It is just so relaxing. When I'm masking, I am not in and out of the bathroom like I am on the nights when I don't mask, because it does take a bit more time. It can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes to do a mask. So when I'm planning to do a mask, I think about it as me time, and I might pretend sometimes that I'm at a spa. So I might wrap a towel around my head, put on a thick plushy bathrobe, dim the lights, light a candle, put on some soft music, and then apply the mask. Once the mask is on, I lie down on the bed and then just relax. I'll lay there for 10 or 15 minutes, taking slow, deep breaths, and just drift away. When the timer goes off, I get up, I rinse the mask off, pat my face dry, and moisturize. And my face feels amazing. And I feel so much more relaxed, just so calm. It is just so therapeutic. So the whole process, just the taking the time to do this for myself, to spend some time just on me, makes me feel so pampered, so relaxed, and my face just glows. It really makes a huge difference. So why should you mask? Well, as I said earlier, number 1, for deep cleaning. Number 2, unclogs your pores. And number 3, the therapeutic effect, the relaxation that comes with taking the time to focus on you. Now let's get to the unboxing. I've ordered in a new tea mask and I can't wait to try it, so hang on. We've got it wrapped up pretty nicely. It says on the top, mask, Teami Detox mask, green tea blend, and it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. So those are the products that are in it. And I like the color of the box, a nice green box, kind of a bright green. Actually, I believe this is the color of my kitchen. And then you've got these nice little tea leaves here on the side of the box. And it says here, perfect for all skin types. And then on the back is just a little bit more of information about the product. And then here you've got the little bunny that shows you that it's cruelty free, so it has not been tested on animals. And then it's got the instructions on the box too. So you are to dampen face slightly with water and then apply a light layer with fingertips. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes. And then wash off with water and pat dry. Use it 1 to 4 times a week. Okay, so now let's get it opened up. Has a nice fresh scent. It reminds me of clay and something fresh. I'm not sure what else. But it's kind of a pea green and has a cool feeling to it, a thick, cool feeling. That's what it looks like on my skin. And it feels nice and cool. I've got kind of a thin layer there, so I'm not sure what it smells like, but it smells fresh. I do like the smell of it. Well, I'm going to just let this sit on my skin for a minute while I look at the information about what's inside it and all that kind of thing. So I put up the website on my iPad, and let me tell you what it says about the product from here. So first of all, this is the Green Tea Detox Mask, and it's $29.99 for a box this size, or a jar this size, I should say. And their goal was to create the perfect detox mask to help eliminate blemishes, improve overall complexion, and moisturize your skin from the inside out. Well, I'm definitely all about that. They use 3 fresh main ingredients, and that is matcha tea, bentonite clay, and lemongrass. Maybe it's the clay and the lemongrass that I was smelling. But they were able to create the perfect detox blend for all skin types. And let's see, it says that it's been shown to get rid of blemishes as an antioxidant boost, to nourish the skin, to help brighten the skin, to help like get rid of that surface layer of impurities, and so it makes the skin glow, moisturize and heal, and anti-aging. Well, I'm definitely all about that. So the detox mask gives you a healthy appearance and reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles naturally. Well, I certainly need that. So it's 75% organic, no harmful chemicals or preservatives, 100% cruelty-free, no animal testing, and non-greasy, won't leave a film buildup or clog pores, doesn't strip your skin, and it's made in the USA. Well, I like that part. So I feel it's starting to draw as it's drying just a little bit. According to the instructions, it's best applied at night. So I'll check back in with you later this evening. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm about to try the Teami Detox mask for the very first time. So I'm going to moisten my face and then I will apply the mask. Notice there's a circle around my eyes and around my mouth. I don't get too close to the corners of my eyes or my lips. Now I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. When the timer goes off, I'll rinse it off. Now how does it feel? It feels cool and tingly. I can feel it start to tighten. A nice tingly sensation. It's been about 5 minutes and you can see how tight my face is getting, so I can hardly move my lips. It definitely feels tighter. And it certainly looks a little brighter from losing some of that dead skin. Well, I think I like it. This is the first time I've tried it. I'll try it 3 more times and then I'll come back and let you see how I look after the 4th time and let you know what I think. So, goodbye for now. Okay, so here goes another attempt using the Teami Detox mask. The first time I used it, I was really pleased. I felt like I got a really good clean. My face felt so moist and hydrated. I didn't even put moisturizer on after I was done because I just kind of wanted to see what was what. So now I'm going to try this again and we'll see how I enjoy it today. Once again, I'm struck by the clean, fresh smell of it. Just a little bit of grittiness, like maybe from the clay. And I'm avoiding the sensitive area around my eyes. And I put some on my neck this time. The instructions said smooth it on the face and neck. So I thought I would try it on the neck and see how it feels. So, pretty tight. I can barely talk, it's so tight. Well, I can see the glow already. I can see the glow already. I think my face looks nice and bright. And it feels really good. So, well, so far I'm really liking this product. I'll give it another try and let you see what I think in another couple of days. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since I received this product in the mail, and now it's time for me to tell you how I liked it or not. And I will say that I did really, really like it. One of the things that I really liked about it, first of all, was that when I would open it up to put it on, it had such a fresh smell. And each time I used it, I enjoyed the smell of it, the fragrance of it just a little bit more. And again, this is what it looks like. And when I finished, when I would put it on and then let it dry the 10 minutes as expected and then rinse it off, my face just felt so moist. I mean, it felt naturally hydrated. So I have used many masks, and oftentimes My face feels really dry when I'm done, so I can't wait to get the moisturizer on. Well, with this Teami Detox mask, it didn't feel like that. My face just really felt hydrated. Now, I did go ahead and moisturize because that's part of my daily routine, but I didn't feel the necessity to do it because my skin was feeling dry. The other thing is that this product also serves as a makeup remover. A couple of times when I tried it, I didn't remove my makeup first because I wanted to see how well did it remove the makeup, and it did a pretty good job, and I didn't feel any residue left on my skin after it was done. And the other thing that I really like about it is the exfoliating properties that go along with it. It removes that outer layer of skin, that dead, ashy surface layer that is in contact with the environment and all the pollutants and that kind of thing. And it kind of gets rid of that, and it pulls out those impurities, and it leaves my skin, my face feeling brighter. And I feel like I have a little glow, and I am all about the glow. So I really have enjoyed using this product. Now the question is, would I purchase it? Because as I said earlier, it was sent to me by Teami, and I was asked to try it. So would I purchase it? Yes, I would buy it because I liked it that much. So if you would like to try it, I'm going to put a discount code in the description box so that if you want to give it a try, you can save a little money. But it is worth every bit of the $29.99 that they're asking for it. So now here's my question for you. Do you mask as a part of your cleansing routine? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.